Hello Bacha Party, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to start part 3 of chapter 8, Mapping Your Way. I hope you all have watched part 1 and part 2. Today we are going to study Make It Bigger, Make It Smaller and Map 5. Okay? Both this topic based on enlarging and reducing of picture and maps as we do in our mobile phone to zoom any photo. So let's start with the chapter. 1 centimeter square grid. Try making the same picture on a 2 centimeter grid and also on a half centimeter grid. One picture is already given. The side of the square was made 2 times bigger. Okay? So what is that? Let's see. So they are telling us to make picture which are given in 1 centimeter grid on the right hand side to 2 centimeter grid and half centimeter grid, and they have given one example to how to do it. Okay, so student, as you can see here, half centimeter grid is given where each side of square has exactly half centimeter length. So here total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 square are given. So the total length of this side will be 3 centimeter. Okay, how 3 centimeter? 6 multiplied by half. Okay, Bacha Party? Bacha Party, here you have to remember this. Half centimeter is the length of one side of a square. Okay, only one side length is half centimeter. Now let's see the 1 centimeter grid where different pictures are given like leaves, car, diya. Okay, now let's calculate the length of one side of this 1 centimeter grid. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 square are given. Therefore 6 centimeter is the total length of this side. Why 6 centimeter? Because the length of one square side is 1 centimeter. Okay, Bacha Party? Now let's move toward the 2 centimeter grid where the each side is of 2 centimeter. So here also how many square are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares are given. So 6 multiplied by 2 will be 12 centimeter will be the total length of this side of a square or a grid. Okay, Bacha Party? Now let's see what they have told us to do. Here they are saying the side of half square was made 2 times bigger. What does that mean? Let's say here they have given first grid of half centimeter. After that they have given us one grid of 1 centimeter and the last grid of 2 centimeter. Here 3 grids are given to us. Okay. Now let's see what is the relationship between the sides of this grid. Here in the first grid there is a side of 1 centimeter in 1 centimeter grid, and in 2 centimeter grid each side is of 2 centimeter. Here we are talking about side, not a square. Just remember that. Okay. In 1 centimeter grid it is a side of 1 centimeter, and in 2 centimeter grid it is the side of 2 centimeter. So here as you can clearly the side become exactly double, or we can say it is made 2 times bigger. Okay. Now the next they are telling us that does its area also become 2 times bigger? Let's see. Its area becomes double or not. So let's first divide the two grid of 1 centimeter as well as grid of 2 centimeter, and then we will find the area of each grid. Let's say map 2 and map 3, where we have already find the side of 1 centimeter grid is 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter grid is 2 centimeter. Okay, so as we can say the side got double. Now coming to area, we all know the area of square is side into side. So 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter, it will become 1 square centimeter, as we all know. Okay. Now if we calculate for 2 centimeter grid, 2 into 2 centimeter will be how much? 2 into 2? 4 square centimeter, isn't it? So here as you can see, area become 4 times, not getting double. It is 4 times of 1 centimeter grid, okay, where side is just got double and area got 4 times bigger. Okay bachcha party, now you understand that. Let's move further. They are telling us to try this. This is a part of parade route in map 3. As you can see on the right hand side, 1 centimeter grid, which is the parade route of map 3, which we have already discussed in the previous video. And if you haven't watched that video, please go check and must watch that video for better understanding of this part. So here we can say that this is the map 3 which we have already discussed. Now let's see the first question. Can you see which part of the route map it is? So here as we can see in the map, this star mark is India Gate, and in front of that this is the Rajpath, the road which connect India Gate and the Rashtrapati Bhavan. The second question is, now try to make it bigger in this 2 centimeter grid. Remember that the shape of the map should not change. So you can simply draw this 1 centimeter grid in the enlarged or bigger view in this 2 centimeter grid. Okay, you have to start with the India Gate. So you can draw India Gate here, and in front of the India Gate you can show the Rajpath and the other roads. Okay, now let's come to question number 3. If the parade route map is smaller and the distance between India Gate and the Vijay Chowk become 2 centimeter, what would be its scale? Here 3 options are given, out of which we have to find the answer. So let me tell you, the distance between the India Gate and the Vijay Chowk is 2 kilometer on the map. Okay, how much is the distance? 2 kilometer. So here they have given us it is 2 centimeter. The distance between India Gate and Vijay Chowk becomes 2 centimeter. Okay, and the actual distance is how much? 2 kilometer. So if 2 centimeter is equal to 2 kilometer, then we can say that 1 centimeter on the map is equal to 1 kilometer on the ground. So our option is A, that is 1 centimeter on a map equal to 1 kilometer on the ground. Let's move further. Dancers from the different state. The children which are enjoying the parade has show many floats or jhankis and dancer in the parade, and they are discussing something. Dancers from the Karnataka were the best. Okay, and one of them told all these people have to travel so much to come to Delhi. Okay, they have to travel more distance. Okay, and last one told that I like the Tripura dance from the Tripura and the Sikkim. They have to travel far, but Haryana and Uttarakhand are closer to Delhi, so they have to travel less. Okay, what does this mean? This means that the dancer which are performing at the parade in the Delhi have come from different places and they have to travel different kilometer to come Delhi. Okay, so in lower standard we already discussed different dance form. So the dance form of Karnataka is known as Kunitha. Okay, remember this, dance form of Karnataka is known as Kunitha, and the dance form of Tirupata in Sikkim is known as Hosagiri. Okay, so now it's a task time. I have given some dance form and you have to identify or tell me in the comment box which state this dance form belongs. So here are the list of dance form and you have to tell me which state it belongs. The first one is Odissi. You have to tell me the state of Odissi. Then B is Bhangra, and last one is Bihu. You have to tell me the answer in the comment box. Okay, Bacha Party? So, let's move further. The next topic is Map 5, that is the map of India. Look at the map of India below and find the states these children are talking about and answer the given question. So here in map 5 they have given us map of India with different states, and based on that we have to find some answers. Okay, now let's see the states which children are talking about. Here it is Tripura, and on the south side it is Karnataka, and on the north of India we have Punjab, as you can see here. Here it is Punjab, Haryana, and here is Uttarakhand. Okay, now let's see what are the question based on this map. The question number 1 is, the Karnataka team starts from Bangalore and moves in the north direction. Which state does it cross to reach Delhi? So the Karnataka team starts from Bangalore and move in the north direction. So let's understand with the help of map. Here as you can see Bangalore. So the team starts from Bangalore and moves in the north direction. So what is the north direction? So if any map is given, the top or upward direction is the north one, and on the right it is always east, and opposite to that it is west, and at the bottom of the map is always south direction. So the Karnataka team starts from where? It starts from Bangalore and it's move in the north direction, that is on the upward direction or the top direction. Okay, so when the team start from Bangalore and comes in the upward direction till Delhi, so which are the state that comes in between? So as you can see, the first state which comes is Maharashtra, then it is Madhya Pradesh, and finally it is Rajasthan. In this way it will reach the Delhi. Okay, Bacha Party? Now let's see the next question. Jammu and Kashmir is to the north of Delhi. So the team from there travels toward south to reach the Delhi. Which states does it cross? Let's see the map for the answer. So where is the Jammu and Kashmir in the map? On the top of the Indian map there is a Jammu and Kashmir, and they have to travel to Delhi. So they have to travel south side, that is downward. So when we start from Jammu and Kashmir, we came across Arunachal Pradesh, Punjab and Haryana. Okay, now let's see the next question. Nonu lives in Gujarat. Nonu's friend Javed lives in West Bengal. Nonu wants to visit his friend. In which direction will he travel? Okay, so as we know, Gujarat is on the west of India and the West Bengal is on the east of India. So Nonu has to travel from west to east, okay, towards the east direction. As you can see on the map, the Gujarat is on the west and the West Bengal is on the east. So Nonu has to travel towards the east direction. Okay, so the next question, is there any state which is towards the north of Jammu Kashmir, and is there any state which is to the west of Gujarat? Let's see the map of India. So the Jammu Kashmir is the topmost to the north. No any state is towards the north of Jammu Kashmir, and similarly for Gujarat there is no other state on the west of Gujarat. So for both this question you can write, there is no state on the north of Jammu Kashmir and to the west of Gujarat. Now question number 6. If 1 centimeter on the map shows 200 kilometer, 1 centimeter is equal to 200 kilometer on the ground. Use this scale to find out A and B. What is A? About how far is Delhi from Jaipur, that is whether it is 50 kilometer, 500 kilometer or 250 kilometer. So we have to remember the scale, that is 1 centimeter is equal to 200 kilometer, and let's find on the map. So for that, what are our two destination? Delhi and Jaipur. So now you have to measure the distance between them using scale, and I have measured that distance. This distance is around only 1.25 centimeter. Okay, 1.25 centimeter. So to calculate in kilometer, we have to multiply it by 200. So it will come around 250 kilometer. So Delhi and Jaipur has a distance of 250 kilometer. Okay, 1.25 centimeter on the map, which is multiplied by 200, that is given us 250 kilometer. Now here some student may have doubt that, sir, why you have multiplied 200? Because as you can see in the question, they have given us 1 centimeter on the map shows 200 kilometer. So if 1 centimeter is equal to 200 kilometer, 1.25 centimeter will be multiplied by 200, and that has given us 250 kilometer. Now it is clear, bacha party? Now let's come to second question, that is estimate how far is Jaipur from Bhopal. Let's see the map for that. Here it is Jaipur and here it is Bhopal. Now we have to measure this distance using scale, and this distance is exactly about 2.4 centimeter. That I have measured that it is a distance around 2.4 centimeter, and on the ground it is 2.4 multiplied by 200, which come around 480, that is 480 kilometer on the ground. Okay, is it clear? Now let's move further. Look at the map and tell which state is surrounded by 4 other states. Surrounded means if one state is here, there must be state on the north, on the east, south and west. Now let's see the map. Which states satisfy this condition? So here, as you can see, Arunachal Pradesh has a state on the north, on the west, on the south and as well as on the east, that is Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana and Uttarakhand. Okay, there are many states which satisfy this condition, that is the state which is surrounded by all 4 states. So here as you can see Odisha, which has on the east West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, and on the south side it has Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so there are many states like this. Now moving further, question number B, which state has the largest area? Okay, which state has the largest area? If its name is not in the map, find it from your teacher or parents. So let's first see the map of India. So here from the map we can say that there are 2 to 3 states which has largest area, out of which one is Rajasthan, another is Maharashtra and last one is Uttar Pradesh. And Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh are not that big. So from that we can say that the Rajasthan has largest area. Okay, the state having the largest area is Rajasthan. Is it clear, bacha bati? Now the next question is, which state is about 8 times bigger in area than Sikkim? Whether it is Uttar Pradesh, Tripura, Maharashtra and Himachal Pradesh, we have to find out. So first let's see where is Sikkim on the map. As you can see here it is the Sikkim. So its size is very small, and now we have to compare it with Tripura. Tripura is also very small, it is not 8 times Now the next one is Uttar Pradesh. Then we have Maharashtra. Okay, so as you can see here, Uttar Pradesh is far more than 8 times. Okay, as well as if we compare Maharashtra also, it is also more than 8 times of this Sikkim. So finally we can say Himachal Pradesh is almost 8 times of Sikkim. Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra are more than 8 times. That's why we cannot say that they are 8 times of Sikkim, and our answer will be Himachal Pradesh. It is clear, Bacha Party? Now coming to the last question. About how many times of Punjab is the area of Rajasthan? Okay, how many times of Punjab is the area of Rajasthan? Let's see. So as you can see in the map, where is Punjab? Here it is a Punjab, and below that there is a Rajasthan. As you can see, the big area of Rajasthan. We have to compare both this state. For that, first we have to count the square, or we can say the grid in which they are allocated. So for Punjab, how many square do you see? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, or as you can see, exactly 1.5 square is for Punjab. And now if we calculate the square of Rajasthan, the complete squares are only 3. Now we have to calculate the square which are more than half. Okay, so let's count it from bottom. So here the square which has more than half area is 1. Here it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we can say that yes, we can also calculate this area. Okay, so there are 7. Okay, so total how many squares are there? 7 squares are there, and there are remaining little parts are there, but we can write it is 7 or 8 times bigger than Punjab. Okay, Rajasthan is 7 to 8 times bigger than the Punjab. In this way, we have also completed the map 5 of chapter 8. I hope all of you have understand each and every topic, and if anyone has still any doubt, please contact me or message me or comment down below so we can solve your doubt. Till the next video, take care, stay healthy, stay fit. Jai Hind.